welcome back. Well, from cleanup to restoration, storm recovery can certainly be overwhelming. Joining us live from Go Minis is General Manager John Myron. He's going to explain how portable storage can help owners through this recovery process. John, thanks so much for being here. The storm really affected a lot of people here in Connecticut. Those 4th of July storms, right?
Crazy, and out of nowhere too,
yeah.
Natasha. It was crazy.
So talk about how Go Minis and these storage options could really benefit people who might be dealing with some damage right now.
Yeah, absolutely. So anything from wind damage, roof damage, you need a place to put your stuff while your contractors or your restoration companies that you're hiring conduct the work to bring you back to normal. So one of the safest and most convenient options is having your stuff stored right in your driveway. And that's what Go Minis does. We bring the container to you, and you or your provider can load the contents up. It's safe, it's right where you need it if you need to grab something, and then when the work is done and you're ready to return back to normal, there it is right there.
Nice and convenient that you bring it right to the driveway wherever they want it, and you have all different sizes, right, for really any project or any sort of renovation that people are doing.
Correct, yeah. So if you're just dealing with something with your garage, we have a smaller option, which is a 12-foot. We have a 16-foot, which is about 3 to 4 rooms worth of contents, and then we have an exclusive 20-foot for those larger projects or just areas that maybe have collected a little bit more over the years.
Sure. Now, what's great is you guys are local, and the response time is really great. Yes,
absolutely. So especially with storm priorities, we're trying to get to customers within 24 or 48 hours. So we work on the weekends, Saturdays. It's no additional charge. Sometimes it's a little bit more convenient for people who are working day to day or not home during the weekdays.
Absolutely. So you said this is perfect, of course, for people who unfortunately may have had issues from the storms, but there's so many other reasons where you could use Go Minis, right? Decluttering maybe, your painting, your dining room, like all sorts of things.
Absolutely, yeah. If there's a need to just create a little bit more space and just kind of free up the rooms in your house or even in your business, Go Minis is a great solution for you.
Now, how does the whole process work? People contact you and say, I need X amount of space, or I need to move things from this room. How do they determine what size is best for them?
So technically, our local team, when you get on the phone with us or through email or text, we'll ask you a bunch of questions and kind of walk through what you're storing, how much of it you're going to be storing in the container or versus your house, and then we kind of give you a recommendation. Obviously, sizing up is the recommendation because you'd rather have a little bit more space to play with than overflow. And no place to put it. And then we'd schedule a time to deliver the container. We give you a call the day before to give you a delivery window, and then on the day of delivery, the driver calls 20-30 minutes before he arrives.
Easy enough. And there are a lot of storage options out there, but I would say what sets you apart is that you do bring it right to the house, right? And tell us a bit more about what makes you guys unique.
Yeah, so I think one of the biggest differentiators, obviously, in terms of service, is the 20-foot container. Not everyone has the 20-foot, and we can relocate it fully loaded, which most companies cannot do. So if you don't have the space at your home or your business and you need us to store it, we can do that for you as well. The other thing is just our team is second to none. We respond. I'm on the phone 24/7, so most of my clients will get my number directly to call or text. So if there's ever a problem or a question, a change in schedule, I'm always available. My team is so proactive in making sure the communication is right there for everybody.
Wonderful. So GoMinis.com, right? A great place to get started. You serve all of Connecticut.
Absolutely, the entire state.
All right, John, thanks so much as always. It seems like a really great resource for people who may have been struggling with some storm damage. If you guys would like to learn more, we're going to have everything for you on our website, WTNH.com. Now,